That's with the controller?
Mm-hmm.
Or that's a drone and the controller?
Yeah, both.
Oh, so this is all the extras?
Yeah.
Your other one had one too, like that, right?
Mm-hmm. Wow. Oh yeah. Extra propellers. 2 batteries. Strap. Another power bank.
Does it come with more stuff or less stuff than your other one?
More. Another car charger.
So it's more than the DJI Mavic Pro.
Mm-hmm.
Platinum.
Car charger, strap,
Oh, car
propellers,
charger, that's nice.
case. Real nice case. Open right here. Not sure where to open it. Controller.
That's really nice.
Here's the drone right here.
Wow. Is it bigger than your old one?
Feels about the same. Maybe a little bit bigger. Feels a little more compact.
Looks cool. There's the camera right there.
Mm-hmm. See what we have in here. Oh, charger in here, the wall charger. All stuff.
What's your first impression?
It's very neatly organized in here.
Do you like the drone now?
Yeah, it looks good. I like the color. The gray color to it. Oh, here's the
You like the
little
design?
The little joysticks for the controller. Oh, here's the propellers for the drone. All come in here.
How many does it come with? So it comes with 2 chargers, right? 2 extra ones?
Batteries.
Or batteries, I mean. And then it comes with, you said, a car charger.
Yep, car
And what
charger,
else?
extra propellers, a power bank,
And then a strap for the
strap,
thing, 'cause
wall
this nice
charger.
case.
Here's the wall charger right here.
I like the car charger. That's convenient if you're traveling. Is it on here?
Mm-hmm.
Should it? Done, buddy? So far, what's the main, like the big difference between your old one and the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum and this one? What's the main difference? The controller and what else?
The controller,
The
increased
car charger.
battery life. Oh, I had a car charger before.
Oh, you did?
The camera on this one. It was a little bit heavier too. I'd say it's a little bit heavier.
But it's gonna be more clear, or what's gonna happen, like with the footage? You think?
Yeah, it should be more. It should be clearer, better image.
And your next video is gonna be showing them the difference.
Yeah, comparing these. Just screw on there. So it's ultra portable.
It's a pretty big screen.
Mm-hmm.
So now instead of using your phone, you just use the screen.
Yep.
But how do you connect the? Does this just connect to Wi-Fi or what? Or to
No,
your
it connects
phone?
through my phone.
Okay, so you do still need like cellular data
Yeah.
through your phone. It doesn't just have like.
I don't think you have to have it, but I think it's good to have it.
Hi. Hi. Are you eating? Is Daddy getting his new toy set up? Nom nom nom. Comes with a lot of stuff.
That'll give you a lot.
So overall, you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
So far?
So far, we'll see what happens.
So good. Comes with a lot of stuff.
It does, yeah. Let's see.
Controller.
Quick start guide. Let's see the propellers. Alright, thanks for watching my video of unboxing the Mavic 2 Pro. My next video I'm going to be comparing the 2 from the Mavic Pro Platinum to the Mavic 2. We'll be taking it out for a couple test flights. I'll show you some different videos. So subscribe to my channel and we'll watch the next video.